Most guitar players think acoustic rhythm is just about memorizing strum patterns, up, down, but when you listen to the greats, when you hear that driving locomotive sound of the classic country and folk, they aren't strumming, they're pulsing. Today we're killing the muddy strum. I'm giving you the C-Chord cheat code to play Wildwood Flower exactly how it was meant to be played. Grab your guitar, make a standard open C-chord, and look at your picking hand holding the pick for the next 5 minutes. The tip of that pick is both your bass player and your snare drum. Strike the heavy A string downward. That's beat 1, the boom. Now lightly flick the pick down across or up across the top 3 strings. That's beat 2, the chick. Heavy on the single note, light on the chord, boom, chick. Do it with me right now. If you're sticking around, we may as well talk a little more detail. So we're starting the melody, we're picking it up with that 2nd fret, 3rd fret, and it's basically the top of the C chord, right? And I'm placing my thumb, or my pick in this case, I'm using that 2, 3, and then open G string, basically breaking the C major chord into pieces or bits. And then I'm running up to fret 2 on the G, and then fret 1 on the high B string, and then back down to the E note and fret 2 on the D. So that's it. Right. So it's very simple. If you can play that, you can play the whole song. The second piece is, yeah, it's that C chord right here, and then we basically make it an E7, or it's going to be an E7. And then we just walk down from A minor to the open G string, and then F. We're doing that little, really cool little hammer-on from the F sus2 to the F major triad. And then we have that really cool hammer-on to that 2nd fret. And then we move from that C to the F, back to the C with the E, and then back down to 3 open strings. Anyway, I thought that would be a lot of fun to do today. You now have the mechanical engine, but to actually make this sound like music, you need to know where to drive it. If you want the complete roadmap for this style, including the exact tabs, the passing bass notes, and the Pillar 3 Songbook Map, comment the word Pulse in all caps down below. My system will send the master PDF straight to your inbox so you can lock this into your hands today. Keep your pick heavy on the bass, keep your strum light, and I'll see you in the next one.